Hi, Ann Wood with Chris Realty. Are you looking for a two-bedroom, two-bath condo in Garfield Ridge? I have just the place for you. This second floor unit also has a heated garage. So would you like to take a look? I'm at 5417 South Melvina. So come on in and take a look. I'd love to show you. It's super rare to find this nice of a condo in Garfield Ridge. The building is built in 2000, so it's newer also. I'm in a two-bedroom, two-bath unit, and it even has newer carpeting. It's been freshly painted, and look at the tallness of these ceilings. The bedrooms are amazingly large. So would you like to take a tour of it? I will get out of the way, and you could come take a look.